Hello students, our next notes of motion starts from uniform motion. When an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be uniform motion. Let in first 1 second car moves 5 meter. In second 1 second it also moves 5 meter, but in third second car moves 6 meter, so it will be not a uniform motion. It will be not a uniform motion because equal intervals of time a object moves equal distance, but here in third second car moves 6 meter, not equal to 5 meter, so it is not a uniform motion. So when an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time is said to be uniform motion. Non-uniform motion: when an object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. First 1 second 5 meter, second 1 second 6 meter, third 1 second 7 meter, so it is a non-uniform motion. It is said to be non-uniform motion. Now speed: the distance travelled by an object in unit time is referred to as speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. It is a scalar quantity because no direction prescribed. SI unit is meter per second. Next, average speed. For non-uniform motion, you can understood non-uniform motion. So for non-uniform motion, the average speed is obtained by dividing the total distance travelled by an object by the total time taken. So average speed is equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. It is the average speed. Velocity: speed of an object in a particular direction is named as velocity. So here direction represent, so particular direction is named as velocity. It is a vector quantity because direction here. It also unit of velocity is meter per second, same as speed. Acceleration: the rate change of velocity is termed as acceleration. Rate change of velocity is termed as acceleration. Acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. SI unit is meter per second square. It is a velocity vector quantity. The acceleration is taken to be positive. The acceleration is taken to be positive if it is in the direction of velocity. When so in the direction of velocity, it is named as positive acceleration. But opposite direction of velocity, velocity goes this direction but acceleration goes this direction, is negative acceleration. Example: when a ball thrown upwards, so velocity of ball is upward direction, but there a acceleration applied, which is gravity. So gravity then is called negative acceleration, because gravity direction is downward. So negative acceleration is also called as retardation or deceleration. An object moving on a circular path though with uniform speed is always said to be accelerated as it changes its direction every moment. Check here. A car moves this direction. So for every moment its direction changed. Every moment its direction changed, but it is a uniform speed also. But direction every moment changed, so it is also a uniform acceleration. It is the so next we will do further for next class.